Yeah, good afternoon. I am doing great. How about you? Thank you for asking.
Yeah, I'm also doing great. So, as we are meeting first time, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, definitely. My name is Kirti. I hail from Bihar. I have done Bachelor of Commerce. I am a proud homemaker as well as mother of one kid. Apart from this, my hobby is uh, cooking, reading books, traveling, and nowadays I am learning English, so this is also add on in my hobbies. Moreover, I am a YouTuber also. I have started my YouTube channel from scratch for learning purpose.
Wow,
That-
that's great. It is really an amazing initiative when we just want to start something to upskill ourselves. Because
yes,
until we are listening and reading, writing, everything we are doing, but if we are not practicing doing speaking, so that time we are not going to get result.
yes.
And to be consistent in speaking journey, it's important to start something else. Great.
Could you please also introduce yourself, Nutshell?
Yeah, sure. Yes, sure. As you know, my name is Geeta Thakur. I reside in Uttarakhand, Kashipur. As far as my qualification is concerned, so I am M in English and I am a teacher in a private school. Simultaneously, I am running my YouTube channel named Elevate English with Geeta Ma'am. That's a little bit about me. Yeah.
Yes. So how did you start your journey, means English journey?
Yes, I started my English journey in the month of March 2024. It's been 2 years that I have been working continuously on my speaking. And at the same time, I am getting result. So I am happy and content with my journey.
Yes. So, how did you manage, means household chores, schools, because you are a teacher also and you are learning also. So, how
Yeah.
did you balance everything?
Yeah, first of all, the main thing is that how passionate you are to learn to do something. If you are glued with your passion, so you can do each and everything. When it comes to time, that how I am finding my time, so it's all about that how I am managing my time. There should be proper management. If I am able to manage my time, so I can prioritize my responsibilities. And when we prioritize our responsibilities, so we give 100% in each field. Because when you are prioritized, so you are able to see that what are the main focused points where you need to work for you. So I can say that by maintaining a proper and balanced timetable, we can go through and achieve everything. And and apart from that, I am an early riser, so it is adding value in my speaking journey.
Yes. So, what is your niche in learning this language?
Yes, actually, I just want to uplift my spoken English because I just want to give that facilities and that things, whatever I have not got because of this language to my children. So I want that they should be aware about the importance of this language. They should speak English confidently so that in every field they can get their perseverance.
Yes. Yeah, it's true. I resonate with you actually. So,
Yeah.
okay, are you a morning person or night person?
Yeah, as I told you, I am an early bird. So I always start my morning since 4 o'clock.
Okay.
So I can say that in this way. And when it comes to night, so I am not a night owl. I can't work after 10. That is the last time that I means by 10, by hook or by crook, I am in my bed. Yes.
Yes, because you are a teacher and you are managing households, everything you are on your hand. So definitely you have to go, you have to hit the sack at early because next day we
Yes.
have to start.
Yes, actually, the starting of the day starts from enthusiasm when we are going to bed early and taking everything in prioritized manner, because it tells us how and when and why you are just taking all these responsibilities.
Yes. Okay, so I have a miss question. How do you spend your free time? Because you are a
Mm,
teacher, and how to manage everything means you are managing everything. So how did you spend your free time?
yes, when it comes to my free time, so I always love reading books and I have green thumb too. And apart from that, I am a great lover of yoga. I am a yoga person. I do meditation. Even in the evening, also, if I get time, so I sit with myself in this way. I say hi and bye to my day.
Yeah, you have a lots of means things you are doing. Nice to hear you. And
Yeah.
yeah, and do you like coffee or tea?
I am a tea person. Yes, and I always love to have tea with my husband. I resonate myself with tea.
Okay,
Yes.
nice to hear. So you have a
And what
question.
about you?
Actually, I don't like tea or coffee. Whenever I go to my friend's house, yeah, anywhere, so that time I prefer because, and I like to hot water with lemon at morning time. Yeah, nowadays you can see there are lots of water, means tea is available like fenugreek tea, cumin tea. So
Yes.
that type of tea I like.
Okay, so you just go with herbal teas. That's
Yes.
great.
Yes.
Yeah, I also use take these type of teas, but when it comes to my favorite, so that time I love with ginger and cardamom tea with my husband. Yes,
Yes.
because whenever we are enjoying tea, it is not that you are enjoying it alone or with someone. It's all up to you that how you are taking joy in that. Sometimes we feel that we are not enjoying that moment when we are having tea or milk or any beverage alone. But
Yes.
when we are in someone's company, so the enjoyment becomes double. It's
Yes.
like that. Yeah.
Yes. So how is the weather in Uttarakhand? Because nowadays weather is changed.
Yes, actually, weather is really unpredictable. Sometimes there is rain, sometimes it's cloudy, and even by now also there are clouds all around. And as my husband is farmer, so we are facing some problems because of this weather.
Yes,
Because
yes.
it is not in favor of farmers, this kind of rain and storms. Yes.
Yeah, because nowadays means I have seen the because environment weather has changed nowadays. Earlier
Yes.
it is used to like hot. We felt
Mm,
hot because since childhood our school has started in morning time also.
mm.
But nowadays I am seeing in my maiden house also it is a gloomy weather. I am not feeling very hot.
Yes. Actually, really, in fact, it is a sight for sore eyes to everyone,
Yes.
this kind of weather. But when it comes to feeling pragmatic ways that how life is going, so that time it is really very difficult. Yes.
Yes, it's true. So,
Yeah.
yeah, you have a question. So, would you ask?
Yes. Yeah. Thank you for giving me this chance too.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just want to know that apart from English, how do you just pass your time, your valuable time?
Yeah, mostly I spend my time with daughter because my time goes around with her only because nowadays holiday is going on, so
Hmm.
I put in so many class means she went to so many classes, so I indulge my time with her only.
Wow, that's great. It is also a nice experience when we just give quality time to our near and dear ones, especially our children, because
Yes.
somewhere we are building their future. Yes,
Yes, and
lovely.
in that way, I spend most of the time because after opening the school, we cannot spend more time with her also.
Yes, really, because they always fixed with the one particular timetable. Yes, this is a study time and this is tuition time.
Yes,
So that's why we are not able to give that quality time. But when there are holidays, so we can fix some fun-based activities and some quality-based activities with our kids. Yes, great.
yes, and she went to grade two, so her responsibility is also increased because uh, she needs more time to study also. You know,
Yes.
now you can see the studies pattern has also changed. Means there are lots of active means syllabus is also there.
Yes, actually, it is not only academic, this is a curriculum based also. So
Yes,
sometimes there are some types of means competitions, sometimes there are some activities. So we have to just keep with them.
yes, yeah.
Yes. So now when it comes to learning English, so what is your specialties in English? Means do you love listening, reading, and speaking? What do you love most?
I love to most means I like to reading book and I like to writing also. Means if I pick
Wow,
any word yeah vocabulary, so that time my mind make a story. Means that time I jot down one story from that word meaning. I am nowadays I am trying. In that way I recall that word actually.
wow,
Vocab.
that's great.
Yes.
Yeah, even
But I
I also take in interest in writing too.
yes, and I would
Yes.
like to tell you means I don't have a patience. I cannot listen attentively. But this is my bad habit. I will tell you. For learning, we should try to listen carefully.
Hmm. Yeah, actually, everyone is not good at everything,
Yes,
or everybody's interest doesn't go with everything. It's like that. Some are good at speaking, some are good at listening, some are good listener. At the same time, some are good writer as well. As you said that you love to write something about any vocabulary or to compose something in the same way. I do speaking. Yes, speaking is must because speaking comes by speaking only. But when it comes to outcome, so I love to write something. As you
yes.
write in the same way, I also write. Since my childhood, I am writing. I have been writing. Yes.
And
Yeah.
you can leave me to write anything. So I sit and I will write. I don't know. I like that. I am enjoying that process actually.
Yeah, that's great. We just pick four or five words, and after that we start writing. Lovely. Yes.
Yes. So, do you have also kids? So, how do you manage to kids also? Because you are going for work. So,
Yeah. Actually, I have two sons.
yeah.
One is grown up, we can say, because my eldest son is in class 12. So
Oh,
he can does his studies by his own. And when it comes to my younger son, so he is in class 7. He needs me in his studies. Yes, because he don't go for tuition. He doesn't go for tuition, so that's why I am only I who look after his studies.
yes,
Yes.
that's true. Okay, so uh, I so you are living in Uttarakhand. So you live in village or you are in city?
No, actually, I have been living in village and I love the atmosphere over here. Yes,
Yeah, actually, I
because
like also village.
everything is calm, serene, composed
Yeah.
here, and I
Yeah.
love this kind of surroundings.
Yes, because I am living in city, so yeah, in city life is very hustle and bustle. So that
Yes.
time I also feel okay where I can go and feel calm and composed. I spend my time like
Yes.
that. So and whenever I go to my in-laws' house. So that time I enjoy a lot because I am seeing to my daughter also. She is also enjoying. Means she go to field, she play with puppies, she play with cows. So I am also
Lovely.
full of content.
Yes, actually, we enjoy every moment when surrounding is full of nature, and that kind of nature we easily find in villages. Okay, and when it comes to living in villages, so I am the person means I am privileged enough because before marriage I used to live in city, and now I have been living in village. So I have experienced both the life. Living in village and living in cities as well. And as you said that your in-laws are also in village, so where are they?
Actually, yeah, I am from
Yes,
yeah,
I am all ears.
yes. Can you repeat again that question?
Yeah, I just want to know where are from in-laws.
Okay, I am from Bihar. So you heard about that Nalanda district?
Yes, that is
Uh,
world famous. Yeah.
yeah, Nalanda city is very famous. So
Yes.
my in-laws live there. So my brother-in-law and sister-in-law they are living, and
Okay.
I have a means six brother-in-law. So only two
Wow.
brother-in-law they are living in village. So whenever I get time, so I went there. I go there.
Yeah, actually there is own charm in living joint family, I would say. Yeah.
Yeah. And all family come together, so we enjoy a lot.
Really, obviously, it happens. Great.
Yeah, because they are also living very far away from us. So whenever they came, so and their kids also enjoy village life actually.
Yes. In this way, when we meet to each other, so it seems as if there is a one kind of festival.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yeah.
Lovely. So, is there anything that you have learned today? Do you want to discuss any vocabulary
Okay,
with our
so
learners?
sorry.
Do you want to discuss any vocabulary for today?
Today I learned selling myself short. This is the idiom. So always, as a woman, we are always keep sacrifice and always think, okay, this is because I am doing effort also. So always we
Mm,
don't take credit, right?
yes.
So
Lovely.
always we have to say, okay, always means from my side also, whenever I have done means I have done anything, so that time I didn't take credit. So always I thought, okay, I am selling myself short. So yeah, means we cannot
Mm,
think like that because we have to appreciate our work also.
yes, wonderful. Great. Yeah.
Yes.
So as we have discussed many things, so do you want to ask something else or we can wind up the session?
Okay, so what did you learn today? You could you please also share with me?
Yeah, actually today I practiced some idioms related here and there are many of them. Actually, on my channel, I am just come up with this series that whatever idioms I am learning, I am taking it theme based. So
Oh,
my today's theme was year, and I have just learned, and you can see in my today's video that what I have learned and what I am discussing. Yeah.
yeah, definitely I will check.
Okay then. So really, it's been a great session with you, a fabulous session. Thanks for approaching me. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Same here.
Okay then, let me stop recording.
Okay.